Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn break, continue and pass in Python. Break is used to exit a loop prematurely before its normal termination condition is met. When a break statement is encountered inside a loop, the loop is immediately exited and the program continues with the next statement after the loop. It's like an emergency exit from a loop. When a specific condition is met, you can use break to immediately stop the loop. For example, let's create a for loop for I in a range like this. Inside it say I need start from the 1 and end with thousands, okay, and print 1000 times as hello 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 like this, and it will print hello 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 as 1000 times, okay. And I don't need it much time, okay. To stop this, say I need 10 times as hello. To do this, if I equal to 10 and say inside the block of code type break, and it will break the iteration and it will print only the 10 times. Continue. Continue is used to skip the rest of current iteration of a loop and move to the next iteration. When a continue statement is encoded inside a loop, the loop immediately jumps to the next iteration, skipping any remaining code in the current iteration. It's useful when you want to skip certain iteration of a loop based on a condition. Imagine like this, in my class I have 9 students, okay, and the 5th student is absent today. And to skip the 5th student, you need to use continue statement. For example, let's say for I in a range like this, inside it say 1 to 10 and the 10 is exclusive, it will print 9 times only. Print inside it say student, then after the quotes put comma and I, the variable name I, and it will print from student 1 to student 9. And you notice that student 5 is absent today. To skip him, you need to use like this conditional execution. If I equal to 5, then you need to continue, and you will see student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, and student 5 is skipped, and student 6, student 7, student 8 and student 9. Pass. Pass is a null operation in Python, meaning it does nothing. It is used as a placeholder where Python syntax required a statement. It's often used as a placeholder when writing code that you plan to implement later, allowing you to bypass writing code that you won't currently need it. For example, say I'm going to create a for loop for I in a range like this. Inside it, say the range is from 1 to 10,000 like this. Then say I just planned to implement this code later, allowing you to bypass writing code that you won't currently need it. To type like this pass, and it won't show any error or iterates. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends. Thank you.